Okay, and hopefully download that. You don't have to pay anything. So you're going to type in the code that I sent you, okay? And the code is 982528. So I'm going to type in 9825228. And then you're going to click on go. And what will happen is go do nothing. Well, go do nothing. It will start the download. And it'll take less time on your Fire Stick. This, I'm using a PC to create this video. So just wait a bit. So we're waiting. Not doing nothing. Not doing nothing at all. Now when it gets to the end, it should automatically ask you, do you want to install it? So there we go. So it's called IPTV Smart Pro, and you're going to move with your mouse, with your remote, click on install. Again, remember, this is not a Fire Stick, but it's exactly the same, but you're using your Fire Stick remote. Okay? And again, it won't take this long on your Fire Stick, but a little bit of patience. You can fast forward this video and rewind it if you want to, just to get yourself clear on what you need to do. So if you miss something, you can just rewind it back. You'll get there in a minute. There we are. It says app installed. So what you do, you click open. And yet again, won't take this long. And you present it with this. I'm going to choose TV, but you could, if you're putting it on a mobile, you can choose mobile. So I'm choosing TV with the remote and I'm clicking save. Okay, we're now presented with this, and you're going to choose this one here, log in with Extreme Code API. Now we're presented with login screen. So in any name, I would type Fab TV, but you can put anything you want. In here, I'm going to send you a username, and in here, I'm going to send you a password. So you're going to enter exactly as it is, the username and password I sent you. Now in here, you are going to type HTTP and colon and // and Aberdeen 1903.com. Okay, so I'm going to send you these details for a trial or activate the subscription. So when you put that in and your username and your password, add user will light up, and you click on that and it'll log you into the smart IPTV system that will have all the UK, all the Sky, catch up is 7 days, etc., etc. Okay, so when you get to this point, I will send you these two details, but you enter that in the name and you enter that in the URL.